Hello everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy. We are here in beautiful downtown Orlando. South Orlando, down by the airport. Doing a house here. We're going to do a part metal roof, and about half of it's modified. The guys got started on it this morning, and they're making some great progress. I just kind of show you guys a little bit what we're doing here and get up on this roof. Here's what we got. It's actually looking great. It's an older house, you can tell by the deck boards. House was probably built back in the 60s or 70s. We're gonna go up here and take a look. Got all the base sheet here. Some wood to replace all this fascia. This has to be replaced. They've got multiple layers of this flat. So they have the actual decking, and then this is probably some insulation behind this, and then 2 sheets of decking again. Pretty solid roof.
Quick pause. We understand that roof inspections and estimates can be extremely overwhelming. Rest assured, our team of highly trained and experienced professionals can give you accurate information and cost analysis down to the nail. Partnering with XLR8 will save you money and time. Now, back to the show.
Up here you can see everything looks really good. 2 skylights going in. This over here was a chimney that we took off. The old oil burning furnaces. Nobody uses those anymore. They end up going in the dumpster where they belong. Roofing crews hate to work around them. Anytime you can get rid of a penetration on a roof, it's a good thing. The fewer penetrations, the better. So let's take a look at what they've done here. Looks great. Fantastic. You can see work's coming along. Here's our flat section we're getting ready to do. More flat over here. Replacing all the wood that needs to be replaced. Little slick up there. Got it looking really good. Got some wood issues here. A lot of framing on this house. But we'll actually have this thing, probably the base sheet, put on it tonight, and maybe the cap tomorrow. That's what we're looking at, guys. This is Sean with XLR8 Roofing. Let's have a great day.